AI breathes new life into old photographs, turning grainy black and white images into vivid color while preserving every brushstroke of history. Each restoration reveals clues lost to time, from clothing textures to city weather, inviting viewers to witness past moments anew. The short series pairs archival images with calm narration, showing how algorithms respect authenticity while adding lifelike sunlight on faces. Episodes spotlight landscapes, street scenes, and gatherings, once ordinary, now cinematic, illustrating how color reshapes memory without erasing truth. This approach creates a fresh classroom of wonder, where history feels close enough to touch, yet clearly kept in context.